What's up, guys? Order just arrived from Ceika. It's a big brake kit for my car. It's a '05 Lexus IS300. Looking forward to seeing what's inside. And I'll try and keep this video short, simple, to the point. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so I got the first box open. They seem to be pretty identical, so this is probably going to be the front or the rear brake kit. And probably front or rear, either or, but fairly identical. This one's going to be wider than the other in terms of rotor size. Excuse the background noise, doing laundry. I got the boxes opened up. Here we have the rotors. I'm guessing these are probably the front. Not too sure. I'll have to check the other side. But yeah, nice and well built. No scratches. Got the anti-corrosion, anti-rust coating on it. For comparison, my last rotors, or the stock rotors on my car, are 305 millimeters, which is the exact length of this ruler. So yeah, these are much bigger. I don't say much, but slightly bigger than the original ones. And then here we have the nuts, bolts, the brackets, as well as some touch-up paint, as well as a thread locker. And here we have the caliper itself. Looks very neat. Yeah, I went with the sort of traditional colors, white lettering, red caliper. Solid build, has some nice weight to it. Can't complain. It's looking real nice. And yeah, I went with the blue pads, which I believe are sports. I do some autocross here and there, so yeah, we'll see if they hold up. All right, turns out these are the front rotors. Much thicker, much heavier than those. Those are the rear rotors. Same thing. These are nice and hefty, good build quality, no scratches. Same coating on it. Serious weight to them though. And then caliper, massive, absolutely massive. Same thing. Blue pads, good build quality. Yeah. Can I be happier? Also, these are just one of the two. I left the other one in there because it's the exact same thing. You'll just see two of each. Same, it has the brake lines as well as the little paints and thread locker and all that. So that's all still in the box. Just here to show you guys the front portion. Now to answer a few questions as to why I went with Ceika for the big brake kit. I know there's a lot cheaper alternatives, but I wanted the options to customize them as big as I wanted to, as wide as I wanted to, and these guys have all those options between rotor size, width, how many pistons, color, whether you want drilled or slotted, material of the pistons. These guys have many options, and so I chose to go with them because I wanted the biggest, well-fitting rotors and brake calipers I can get in my car, and these are approximately 10 to 15 millimeters away from the wheel in terms of gap. So that was the reason I chose these guys. Another reason I chose them was because their reviews. Most people who order their brakes have given nothing but praise. Their customer service was amazing in terms of them making sure that the fitment was proper. They encourage you to make sure you do measurements for your wheel between the wheel hub up to the wheel wall, just to make sure that the fitment is correct. And they ask you a plethora of questions just to make sure that everything is perfectly fine. Communication is top notch. They respond in normally daily. If you were to email them, you would hear from them very quickly. So that was a very good thing about this company. So that was another reason I chose them. Now for what some of you are wondering, cost, how much did this cost me? This was $3,950 with a $400 discount through Black Friday deals and free shipping. Some of you may be saying, well, you can get a much cheaper kit, you can save the money, it's better out there, XYZ, whatever it may be. You do get what you pay for, and I did get quite a bit in terms of customization, sizes, all that. So this is a custom kit for the setup that I do have on the car, so it's not something you can easily find. If you have any other questions, comments, feel free to leave them below.